Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here from MDC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, April the 18th. Let's jump to our news items for this week. Very light week following the long Easter holiday. Today we do have a report at 4 o'clock. Obviously not during. This is one of the members of the Federal Reserve speaking. It doesn't affect us during our trading session. Nothing on Tuesday, and then we begin Wednesday with existing home sales. We have information on manufacturing unemployment claims. We have the fair share speaking also on Thursday, but after our trading sessions. And we close the week with manufacturing information at 9:45. Very light week and very light volume as we're seeing this morning after the long prolonged holiday season. Let's jump to our daily chart as usual. As we see, the market has broken another very key support level at the 50 SMA right here. This is this average that we see right here. Let me just switch tools here. As you can see, market is currently below the 50 SMA. It closed below 50 SMA in the last session, and now it finds itself opening below it. Again, we're still at a 50% retracement. The market can continue lower to the 61% retracement in order to still be continued a retracement. And we're talking about measuring this run that we have here that began on the 15th all the way up to the 29th of March. So it can go down to the 61% to find support and then continue lower. Continue higher. This is not what we expected. I expected this to hold, but the market's been surprisingly resilient lately. So I was expecting the quick rebound, but apparently the market looks like it's looking for a little bit more of a support in order to continue higher. Volume obviously has been decent at 1.1, and our ATR is holding at 77, providing us plenty of space and volume to participate. Let's look at another time frame here to get a little bit more deeper look. And remember, we were talking about this early in the week about this particular area here at 43.82.75, around this area here, 43.78 area. Is the market gonna come back and retest this area? Will it hold? And the market obviously held, clearly ran above our resistance areas, expecting the market to continue, but the market completely failed and it came right back to this channel in here, and we're expecting here's another test of this support level over here. Will the market hold again, or will it break through? And this time it clearly broke through, and as you notice now, not only did the market break that support level, but it's pulling back to test it as a resistance. So will the market continue lower, or will this just a fake out breakout at this area for more continuation higher? We'll be seeing that a little bit more detail in a minute here as we look at our next time frame analysis chart. And here we are. This is the intraday high, the intraday low of the last session right here. Right here, this is the intraday low of the previous session. This up here would be our intraday high. So we're clearly opening below the intraday low of the last session. Notice how the market's holding support as it establishes the intraday low late in the session, continues to hold until eventually it breaks clearly loose. Now, here's where we find ourselves between this resistance area, which was created by the intraday low, and this new swing low in the pre-market. That's our resistance, and this trend line to the upside. So what do we have here is an uptrending triangle, a little buying pressure every time we get near this area. So this becomes our north-south line. This is where we're expecting the market to hold support to move higher. And of course, the ultimate high would be to break clearly above the intraday high, come back, use it as support, and launch from there. As long as we remain above this line here, we're expecting pullbacks to buy. Any break below there, we're selling to this particular area here. Any break below there, we're expecting it to come back, hold resistance, and move lower. Wait for the confirmation. Do not fall in love with either side until you get confirmation. Take care. Have a great session.